With all the samples that we take, we can kind of get a depth profile of both the water and the sediment, and that corresponds to an age. So we can kind of line that up with when the alum treatment was applied and see what the effects were. Hi, I'm Colin. I'm in the class of 22, and I'm a geology major. Jeff Tepper and I are working on two lakes here, Wapato and Wohop Lake. Both of them have undergone a treatment called alum treatment, which is aluminum sulfate, and that's added to the lake to try to help increase the water quality. Both of these lakes in the past have had problems with hazardous algal blooms, and so adding the alum is supposed to combat that and try to reduce the risk to humans and animals. We've been analyzing samples that we take from the lake, trying to figure out what the other effects of alum treatment are on the water and lake bed sediment. I hope it sheds some light on what the true effects of alum are. There were many different viewpoints on Wohop Lake. There were lots of people that thought, this is perfect, this is great, it'll clean up the water. And then there were other people who were very against it, thinking, there's been problems with this in the past on other lakes, fish kills, all that kind of thing. So I'm hoping that it can, shed some light on what the true effects are. There's so much that I've learned over the summer that I wouldn't have learned if I hadn't done this. I have so much more lab and field experience that whatever classes I take later or the research that I do later, I'll be much more prepared for that. I'm hoping to graduate with a geology major, probably go on to grad school at some point, whether that's right away or not. I definitely think that having this experience will help whatever I do.